absence of the 5 hindrances. He has cast away lust. He dwells with heart free from lust. From lust, he cleanses his heart. He has cast away ill will. He dwells with heart free from ill will, cherishing love and compassion. Toward all living beings, he cleanses his heart from ill will. He has cast away torpor and dullness. He dwells free from torpor and dullness, loving his light and watchful mind. With clear consciousness, he cleanses his mind from torpor and dullness. He has cast away restlessness and mental worry. Dwelling with mind undisturbed, with heart full of peace, he cleanses his mind from restlessness and mental worry. He has cast away doubt, dwelling free from doubt, full of confidence in the good. He cleanses his heart from doubt. And the Sufis also talk about the cleaning of the heart. The heart is not just one center. The heart is, there are centers within the centers. That's another thing you find in Sufi literature before you find Kabbalistic literature.